Washing regularly is important to maintain proper hygiene and prevent the spread of diseases. But washing with water alone is not enough. People need soap, not only to remove dirt and grime, but also to help eliminate bad bacteria, fungal diseases, and viruses. Despite its importance, many communities don't have access to good quality and affordable soap. Common soaps may contain chemicals that are harmful to the environment and your health. To keep costs low, manufacturers often use cheap chemicals to make soap solid, foam profusely, and degrease. They also add chemicals to make the soap antifungal and antibacterial, to enhance its shelf life and give it a nice smell. Many soaps are also individually packaged in plastic, which adds to our huge problem of plastic waste. A group of farmers in the Philippines has been producing soap for the past 10 years. In this video, they will teach us how they make soap using organic products from their farm. By producing your own soap, you have control over what goes into the soap and how it is packaged.
At first, it was for personal use only. Then, I saw the potential to make it a business simply because we use ingredients from our farm.
Plant-based oils or fats are the base ingredient, giving soap its lathering, cleansing, and moisturizing capacities. In order for the oils or fats to mix well and harden with other ingredients as soap, you need a lye solution. Lye is sodium hydroxide, also known as caustic soda. It helps soap form its shape, but it doesn't mean there is lye in the final product. Although lye is a potent ingredient, careful processing removes its harmful properties. Lye is a very dangerous substance because it reacts with metals such as aluminum and tin to form a flammable and explosive gas. But as long as you handle the lye properly and use the correct amount, it is relatively safe. Never put water into lye as it would cause steam to suddenly build up. Always put lye into water. If not handled carefully, lye can also cause skin irritation or chemical burns. So use goggles or a face shield and wear gloves, masks, and aprons while handling ingredients. Making your own soap is quite easy. Most of the ingredients needed are already available on your farm.
Our soap is not harmful to nature because we use organic ingredients. Everything we use, we get from our farm. Our soap can be used for washing clothes, our body, dishes, and hair.
It is advisable to make your soap in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhalation of fumes or gases. Only use wooden, ceramic, or good quality plastic dishware when mixing the ingredients to avoid any unwanted chemical reactions. Remember to wear your protective clothing when handling ingredients. To make 2.2 kilograms of soap, pour half a liter or 500 grams of distilled or any natural water, such as rain or spring water, into a medium-sized pitcher. Add 240 grams of caustic soda flakes and gently stir. This solution will get hot, so have a basin of water ready to cool the pitcher before adding the caustic soda. If you use water at room temperature, let the solution cool overnight. If you add ice to the basin, cool it for at least 4 hours. Mixing all ingredients later will be difficult if the lye solution is not properly cooled. In another large pitcher, pour 1.25 kilograms of crude coconut oil. Unprocessed oil that has been kept for at least 3 months is better than freshly extracted oil or processed oil as it blends faster and easier.
We help coconut farmers because we buy their oil. Our soap business helps a lot of people.
Parang kuan siya kanang daghan mi og na tabangan tungod sa sabon.
To make different kinds of soap, you can use powdered or fresh ingredients. For powdered ingredients, you can use adlai, activated charcoal, turmeric, moringa, cocoa, and used coffee grounds. Moringa, cocoa, and coffee soaps are natural deodorizers, prevent acne, and reduce dark spots. Measure 240 grams of water, mix in 10 grams of the powder, 10 grams of sea salt, and 30 grams of scent oil. Salt helps thicken the soap solution so it hardens faster. It also balances the soap's acidity. Scent oils give your soap a pleasant smell. Acapulco leaves, papaya fruit, pineapple, and calamansi can be used as fresh ingredients. Acapulco is a shrub used in herbal medicine. When its leaves are fermented and mixed into soap, they relieve itchiness and help heal the skin from ringworms, eczema, and scabies. When you use fresh ingredients instead of dry ones, measure 250 grams of juice or puree and mix in 10 grams of salt and 30 grams of scent oil. Properly mix the ingredients in a glass with the salt and scent oil. Add this solution into the pitcher of crude coconut oil and mix thoroughly. Once the lye solution has cooled, pour it through a filter into the large pitcher to remove any sediments. Stir continuously in a circular motion for 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture thickens and holds its shape when drizzled. You can use plastic or wooden containers as molds. You can line these with wax paper or plastic to prevent sticking. Pour the mixture into molds before it becomes too thick and hardened. Tap the molds gently to ensure that there are no bubbles as it hardens. Leave them overnight for at least 8 hours or more, depending on the size. Bigger molds require longer time to dry. After practicing soap making, you can invest in silicone molds which are more economic and eco-friendly. Once the soaps have set, remove them from the molds. You can use a sharp knife or a makeshift cutter made from metal wires to cut them into the sizes you want. For the soap to be used safely, let it cure for 30 days to allow the lye to evaporate. Cover with breathable cloth to shield against moisture and dirt. While gaining experience in making soap, you can experiment with different natural ingredients or combinations for variety. Soaps with papaya, pineapple, adlai, and activated charcoal have powerful exfoliating and rejuvenating properties. Soaps with calamansi and turmeric keep your skin glowing and have anti-aging properties. You can make soap in big batches since it lasts a long time and foams more when stored longer. This makes it a good business choice. Use your creativity and involve local women to develop sustainable packaging.
Ang among packaging sa sabon, di ba, kuan siya kanang dahon sa saging kanang laya sa saging.
The packaging of our soap is made from dried banana leaves from our farm. The hemp string is made by women from our community for rope, and the soap tag is from recycled paper. That's why we call our soap soap with no waste.
Sabon na walang tapon.
The more people who buy your soap, the better off your business will be. Jerlin's soap business prioritizes more than just profit. They train others to make their own soap. Their affordable and quality soaps have gained loyal customers, including nationwide resellers and 2 of the country's top hospitals.
Daghan na gyud mi og mga reseller then kuan sa ang among reseller.
We have many resellers, and we let them rebrand our soaps. We do not require them to use the name of our soap. They can rebrand it as long as they inform their buyers that their soap is from us.
Kahibalo pud nila namo nga kani nga sabon gikan sa amo.
So, what have we learned? Artisanal soaps are better than commercial soaps because you can carefully choose the ingredients. Soaps are made by mixing oil and lye solution. Handle lye carefully as it can rapidly heat up when mixed with water. Always pour lye into the water and not the other way around. And always wear protective clothing. Add different natural ingredients to enhance the nurturing qualities of your soap. Pour the soap mixture into molds and cure it for a month before using it. Now that you have seen how easy it is to make your own soap and why it is important to use organic ingredients, why not try it yourself? And perhaps even start your own soap business.